Hi Dresser Cuties, Wayne here. Today we're drawing Galaxy Dream Smoothie. So let's get started. To draw this very dreamy smoothie, let's first start by drawing the cream on top. So I'm going to start right here and we're just going to make this big tall mound of cream. So I'm just going to curve down and in right here. And then right here we're going to curve it a little bit and come up, kind of like drawing a wave, and then bring it out. And I'm going to end about right here. So a little bit higher, and then we're going to come one more. So we're going to draw one big curve here, and then this one, this side is going to match the other side. So right here. So I just want to make sure approximately ends about the same height as the other side, and that's our top right here. Then from there, let's go ahead and we're going to draw one more curve down here, and it's getting wider as we come down, and we're going to do the same thing here just to match the other side, and we want to end about the same height, so about right there. It just makes it easier. Everything's kind of at the same level. So now that we have that, we need to draw the bottom part. So here we're going to go smaller, and I'm going to draw two small curves right here, and then we're just going to go all the way across. So let me just make them smaller here. So one, it's all up to you. Maybe sometimes you go smaller, maybe sometimes wider just to break it up. Maybe a smaller one, but we just want to go all the way across and finish it up. There. So we're creating this very dreamy, cloudy shape at the top. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw our cup. So I'm going to come in about right here on both sides. And let's go ahead and draw this very simple glass cup. So I'm just going to come down on both sides. And then let's go down a little bit more. And then we're going to round it in. So about there. So let's come to the bottom here. And same thing here. About right there. Then go ahead and connect it at the bottom with a soft curve. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's come back in here and we're going to follow our outside. I just want to give this little edge so that it looks like it's in glass. Same thing over here. And then at the bottom, and just give a little bit thicker at the bottom. Just make our glass look a little bit heavier. There. Okay, so now that we have that, or you can just make it, I think I went too straight. There. A little bit better. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and put in some details. So right here, I'm going to lightly curve this just to connect it, just to make sense of all these curves. And maybe one more here, just come right about here. And then one here. Connect to that one, and then another one about here at the bottom. There. And then when you're coloring it, you can put in a bunch of different color swirls, but I don't want to do that with the Sharpie because that would just muddle everything up. And then you could, that'd be really cute to maybe add this little accessory right here. So I'm just going to put in this little stick, and then I'm going to go up and draw a heart, Nice full heart back to my center. And same thing on the other side. Right there. And then since this is a galaxy theme, we have to put a ring around it, right? There. And I'll go in and erase that a little bit later. And give a little highlight right here. And then let's add some sparkle. Right here. And one more. Here. Okay, and then of course, let's add some stars. So I'm just going to draw a bunch of little stars, kind of angle in different directions. For some sprinkles to make it extra dreamy. Maybe one here. I think we need one here, a smaller one. There. And of course, let's bring our drink to life. So let's say about in this area, I'm going to go ahead and draw a circle for some Draw So Cute eyes. And come across about this way and draw the same thing. There. And then let's come in here with two small circles for highlights, a curved line at the bottom, and a shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and just draw a soft curve over each eye. I think I muddled up this eye trying to fix it. Okay, and then now that we have that, of course, let's give our drink a big smile right in the center and cap it off. And then when you're coloring, you can put in a bunch of different colors or different layers to make it look more galaxy-like. So maybe like two sections and then leaving this part lighter so that the face shows up. But that is pretty much it for my drawing here of this Galaxy Dream or Galaxy Glow smoothie. I really hope you love this drawing and that helped you draw it fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.